Are you struggling to get views on YouTube? You are not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the most effective strategies that actually work in 2025 to boost your views and grow your channel. Let's dive in. Before you will even hit record, ask yourself, would I click on this video? Your idea needs to solve a problem, entertain, or teach something valuable. Use tools like YouTube search, Google Trends, or even Reddit to find what people are curious about. The second thing is creating a click-worth thumbnail, thus the bogey method. Your thumbnail is your first impression. Use the bogey method, thus blue, orange, green, yellow, to stand out against YouTube red and white interface. Make sure it's bold, readable, and emotionally expressive. If you want me to make a video about making a bogey thumbnail, comment it down below. The third thing you need to do is to optimize your title and description. Think like a viewer. Use keywords naturally in your title and description. For example, instead of my vlog, try day in the life of a small YouTuber. Behind the scenes. This helps with both click-through rate and searchability. The fourth thing is to hook viewers in the first 15 seconds. If the first 15 or 30 seconds is not interesting, it's likely that viewers might skip your video. So you need to always make good use of your first 15 or 30 seconds. Make them feel like they have to keep watching. 5. Use playlist and end screens. Group related videos into playlists to keep viewers binge watching. And don't forget to use end screens to guide them for your next video. More watch time is equal to more views. 6. Engage with your audience. Ask questions in your video. Reply comments. Pin a comment with a call to action. The more engagement your video gets, the more YouTube pushes it to others. And the last thing is to be consistent and patient. Growth takes time. Stick to a schedule, keep improving, and don't get discouraged. Every big YouTuber started with 0 views too. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more creator tips, and drop a comment telling me which tip you are going to try first. Thanks for watching and keep creating.